Hi guys, Inside Inventions here, and today I've got an amazing video for you. But it's not just today. We're actually going to be starting a little series of videos on this project, which is right in front of me. So I'm going to show you guys what it is. We are going to be making an electric bike, or an electric motorbike, whatever you want to call it. So yesterday I got this e-bike. Well, yesterday I got this moped frame from my school, as well as the tyres. So it took me quite a long time to get this home. So yeah, so in this series we'll be cleaning up this bike, making it all look really nice, getting all the screws, all the rust off, and then we'll be attaching a motor and rechargeable batteries. So eventually this will be an e-bike or an electric bike, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. So first thing we're going to do is there's a load of little screws here which we couldn't get off because the bolts are like rusted on or something like that. There's two down here. So I'm going to cut them off with my Dremel first. Okay, so on the bike, what I've just been doing now is I've been getting all the rust off here with my Dremel, and I've just been taking all the rust off here. I've got bits off on the pipe. Okay, so I've grinded all the bottom of it. There's a little hole here from corrosion. So I don't know how we're going to patch it up, or if we are going to patch it up. So you can see I've tried to grind all the bits I can. Just all along here, just trying to get all the rusty parts off. So now I think I've got the majority of the rust off, and I think I've got enough rust off so that I can paint this part of the bike. So what I was thinking is these bits here, which are going to hold the back wheel, and the forks, which are going to hold the front wheel, I'm going to spray paint like glossy red. And then all the rest of the frame is going to be spray painted in gloss black, like some of it is now. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to spray paint with the black all the bits I've just grinded off. god.